We are halfway through earnings season, hard to believe, and some big themes have emerged. But as Dominic Chu tells us, the energy sector is sandbagging overall results.
We're over the hump. As of earlier today, nearly 2/3 of the S&P 500 companies have reported earnings. The majority of companies that have already reported have beaten average analyst profit expectations. According to numbers compiled by Thomson Reuters IBIS, if all remaining companies in the index match analyst expectations, we'll see profits grow by 1% over the same period last year. Now, before earnings season started, the expectation was for a 3% drop. The bad news, though, is coming from the revenue side of the reports. We're currently on pace to see what could be a 3.5% drop in sales over the same time last year. That has some traders and investors worried, although others do feel more optimistic.
We feel good about the U.S. earnings season. If you look through reported companies so far, we're looking at 3 to 4% growth across the S&P. Markets had expected that number to be negative 3 to 4%. And ex-energy, we're looking at something like plus 11%. So it's slow and steady like the economy.
Energy is going to be a big focus for many in the coming weeks and months. It's no surprise that the sector could be one of the biggest drags on growth given the sharp drop in oil prices. And that's leading a lot of stock pickers to be much more conservative about buying into the recent weakness in those stocks.
The energy sector today does not appear to be a particularly attractive area to invest because of the uncertainty about oil prices. Ultimately, we're going to need more information about growth rates in the emerging markets, particularly China, which is a big part of the demand for oil prices.
With oil giants like ExxonMobil and Chevron on deck to report earnings, a lot of attention will be paid to what they have to say about the industry. And because both companies have operations ranging from exploration and production all the way to refining and selling gasoline, they could provide some more clarity about the energy industry outlook. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Dominic Chu.